crisp autumn breeze swirled fallen leaves through the open-air living space, carrying with it the joyful shrieks of children at play. Sunlight, dappled through the leaves of towering trees that reached for the sky, danced across the polished green stone floor. This wasn't just a house, it was a canvas painted with the vibrant energy of childhood and the comforting nostalgia of the past. The project, a testament to the homeowner's vision, embodied a life lived in open communion with nature and loved ones. Stepping through the expansive entryway, one encountered not a foyer, but a seamless merging of the outdoors and in. Walls, as traditional as they were, played a minimal role. Instead, towering glass panels blurred the lines between the living area and the lush garden beyond. Here, the raw beauty of nature reigned supreme. Gray laterite, a material echoing the surrounding village houses, formed the foundation for walls that were more suggestion than barrier. Washed stone floors, cool underfoot, whispered of tranquil walks along a riverbank. The aroma of freshly baked bread, emanating from the open kitchen, mingled with the faint scent of earth, a delightful reminder that life, like the house itself, breathed in harmony with its surroundings. The homeowner, a man rooted in tradition yet yearning for a modern haven for his family, had specifically requested the use of raw materials. These elements, unpolished and natural, served as a bridge between his childhood memories and the present. The exposed wooden beams overhead, reclaimed from his ancestral home, held whispers of stories told by flickering lamplight. The green stone, sourced locally, echoed the mossy pathways he once explored with bare feet. It was a deliberate blurring of lines, a way of carrying the past forward, whispering its secrets into the vibrant present. This philosophy extended beyond aesthetics. The project was designed with an emphasis on shared spaces. Privacy zones were kept to a minimum, existing primarily as sleeping quarters for the occasional weekend visits from the homeowner's children. The rest of the space, from the sprawling living area to the sunken playroom tucked under the canopy of trees, actively encouraged connection and togetherness. It was a house meant to echo with laughter, a canvas upon which family memories were meant to be splashed in vibrant hues. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows across the open-air living room, one couldn't help but feel that this project had transcended mere architecture. It was a living testament to a love for family, a respect for the past, and an embrace of the joy that comes from living in harmony with nature's embrace.